Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. So today we're going to talk about technical chart. How to use technical chart. Okay, when we go into the market, right, we need to have some kind of advantage, right, some kind of upper hand in order, to make money from the market. Okay, because if we don't have an upper hand, right, we are going in blindly, right, so the odds of winning, okay, beating the mass market, right, is quite low, I can say. Okay, so there are a few ways, right, to get an advantage, upper hand, when we go to market. Okay, there is fundamental analysis and there's technical analysis, right? Although we use mix both, okay, fundamental and technical, but mainly for me, right, technical is my main advantage. Okay, I use technical much more than fundamental. So in order to use technical, right, as you guys already seen me, explaining, the chart about the line, about support resistance. You have followed me looking at the chart for so long, right? But for some of you guys, haven't really started to look into the chart or haven't learned how to look into the chart, right? So I will do here I will do a quick video, right? A few episodes of video, okay, explaining how I look into the chart, how I access the chart, and how I draw the support resistance line and this trend line on the chart. So the easiest way to do, right, is a KLSE Screener. Okay, KLSE Screener is free. Okay, you can see many things from KLSE Screener. You can see the company growth. You can see the P&L result. Okay, you can see the earning per share. You can see the P value, all those things. But mainly, okay, I use it for the chart. Okay, both take fundamental and the chart. So this is free. Okay, the charting software that you see me use very often, right, when you look into my video, that is TradingView. TradingView is a bit more complex. Okay, if you want to learn the more hardcore, more advanced one, will be TradingView. This is the most basic one. Basically, the tools inside are mainly almost the same. Okay, but TradingView got some other advanced function. Okay, that is better than the KLSE Screener, but you have to pay. Okay, if you don't pay, okay, if you take the free version, right, the free version is very limited. Okay, the function is much more the same, much the same like the KLSE Screener, and okay, but it has this advertisement pop up. Okay, so it's very inconvenient to use if you're using the free version. Okay, so not much different if you use the free version with KLSE Screener, unless you use the paid version, then there is advantage. For TradingView, I'll do a video next time. I'll do another few episodes, right, on the TradingView in a more advanced charting system, more advanced charting video. This is just sharing. It's just my opinion, my story, and my opinion on how I use the chart. Okay, there are different ways how people use the chart, but this is how I use the chart. Okay, I've been learning the chart for over 5 years now. So at least I know something they can share with everybody. Okay, for KLSE Screener, right, you need to first of all need to go to the browser. Okay, Internet Explorer, Chrome, Firefox, or which other internet browser that you're familiar, right? You can go in, just open up the internet browser, type KLSE Screener, KLSE Screener.com. Okay, KLSE Screener.com. Okay, so this is the main page. This is the page where you can filter the stock. Okay, so if you want to look for a open the chart, right, for a stock, let's say Asia. Okay, this is the fundamental performance that we can investigate. Okay, but mainly we go into, for this tutorial, not to say tutorial, sharing, right, sharing. We go into the technical charting here. Okay, in order, right, to have in order to for the all the drawing, right, okay, in order to be able to save the drawing, okay, we have to log in here. Okay, I log out first. Okay, so if you want to log in, you press the login, you come to this page, sign in page, right? You can use Google, your Google account, your Facebook account, or your Apple account. Okay, so I always use my Facebook account. Okay, so you click login with Facebook. After you log in with Facebook, only after you log in, right, all the chart that you redraw, right, that you can save. Okay, okay, after you log in, only those chart that you already draw, right, you can save it. Okay, if you don't log in, right, next time you come back, you open the same stock, right, all the drawing will not be there. Okay, so let's see, let's say I go to Asia, right? Okay, technical charting. So this is a chart, right? So basically quite simple. This is the day. Okay, this is a 1 day chart. Means one candle here is a day of movement. Okay, candle movement, one candle here. Okay, it's a one candle, 1 day movement. Okay, if I click the week, right? Okay, means one candle now, right? It's a movement of 1 week. Okay, if I click month, right? One candle here is a movement of 1 month. Okay, 1 month. So for people who actually invest in long term, okay, they will look at the week and month chart. Okay, so for us, I'm medium short term. I use day. Okay, so I click the day. So let me delete all the drawing first. Okay, so this is an empty chart. Okay, empty chart. I delete all the drawing first. Delete the drawing. Click the line, right? Click the drawing where you see the highlighted got dot here. You press the delete button. Okay, so let me delete everything first. We start from scratch. Okay, so this is a blank chart. So this is a blank chart. So the first thing, right, we want to do, okay, I normally what I use is the RSI indicator. Okay, RSI indicator for me, right, is to check the overbought and oversold. Okay, overbought and oversold. So you click the indicator here, you can come out, look for RSI, Relative Strength Index. Okay, or you can type the find here, search index here, type RSI. Okay, the RSI will come out. Okay, so this is the RSI. Okay, RSI I use it to see over, okay, over 70. Okay, the line go over 70 is overbought. Overbought means the possibility the price might turn down. Okay, here. Okay, so oversold here. Okay, oversold means the price could be cheap. Okay, means a lot of people too much selling, so the price might rebound. So you see oversold, so the price rebound, right? So not guarantee. This is just an indicator, right? In a tool that help us to analyze. Okay, so not guarantee every time you be here, it come up here, it will come down. Not guarantee you come down here, it will go up. Okay, so this is one of the tool to assist only. Okay, so how to draw the trend line and support resistance line. Support resistance line, let's say we want to draw a resistance line. Okay, so the price comes up, okay, being rejected, bounce down, right? So this is a resistance, right? Resistance, we come here, look at the line tool, right? Look at horizontal line, or you press alternate H. Okay, horizontal line, click the horizontal line, click here. Okay, so we really draw a resistance line. Okay, I'll draw another resistance line here. Okay, click the horizontal line, click. Okay, so I redraw two resistance line. Okay, now I want to draw a support line. Support line means the price come down, okay, rebound, okay. So the price come down to here, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 times it come down to here. So the price actually rebound. So this is a support. Okay, similar thing. Click horizontal line, okay. Click horizontal line and click the area you want to mark. Okay, so this one already one support line. I want to draw another support line. Okay, how to navigate, zoom in and zoom out, use the mouse, the scroll button to, okay, you rotate the scroll button, right, it will zoom in and zoom out. Okay, so another line I want to draw over here, okay, or another line I want to draw over here, okay, it's a support line. Okay, so how I draw trend line, right, I always say, okay, the price will break out from this trend line, maybe close the trade first, trend line is similar, go to the line 2 here, trend line. Okay, click at the bottom, one click at the top, so already draw the line. Okay, this one you have to pull. Okay, horizontal line no need to pull, this one you need to pull. So we redraw the line. So if I want to draw a triangle, right, okay, so these are the triangle that I redraw. Okay, if you are somewhere, if you are lost somewhere, you don't know where are you, right, you want to go back to the place at the beginning, right click the mouse and reset chart. Okay, reset chart will bring you back to the latest, okay, latest time frame. Okay, latest time frame. So this one already done. Okay, so you want to save the chart, right? Remember, must save the chart. It will automatically save every 5 minutes, but if you exit before 5 minutes, you have to click here and click save. Or you have to click at the cloud. This cloud, right? You click at the cloud, it will save for you. Okay, and you can name this format. Only one format. So every one memory, you can rename it. I name it stock previously. I think it's called watch list. So you can name it. So after you name it, right? Every time, right? You come in, okay, it will save all this charting, everything you draw, right, it will save it into this name for you. Okay, all the chart. Okay, so how I want to add this to the watch list, okay, it's here, watch list. Okay, so after you search for a stock, right, let's say I search for AHX. Okay, you want to add it into my watch list, right, you have to click here. Okay, before you check the technical chart, you click watch list. Okay, add to watch list, save. Okay, so you come to, after you log in, right, you can see your, you can add your profile here. So you can see your watch list. Okay, so I have AAX. So I haven't add Asia, right? I want to add Asia. Okay, Asia. So I click watch list. Okay, it's easy for us to find. Okay, after we make the drawing, right? Next time, right, we log in, right? We log in. Okay, let's say I start from 0. Okay, I go to KLSE Screener. Okay, so I want to check the previous Asia chart that I already draw, right? I go to watch list. Okay, Asia. Okay, go to technical chart. Okay, you see the line that we redraw just now, right? We redraw the line we already draw is all there. Okay, so this is very basic. Okay, how to, the first step, how to learn to access the chart, open up the chart software, KLSE Screener, and how to study the chart. Okay, I will do a few more video which is more in-depth on how to study the chart. Okay, more in-depth on how to study the line. Okay, how to properly draw the support resistance line, what they represent, and also how to see the RSI. Okay, these are the most basic tool that I use in a technical charting. Okay, hopefully this one can help you guys, in your trading. Okay, this is not professional advisor. I'm not professional advisor. I'm not a professional consultant or what or a broker or anything. Okay, I'm just a retail trader. Okay, I just want to tell my story and share my story how I trade the KLSE stock market. Okay, so hopefully this one can share some light, okay, in your trading. So thank you for watching. Remember to hit the like button for me. Okay, hit the like button and share the video for me. The more the better. Okay, and also remember to subscribe. Once I get a new video out, you can get my video immediately. Okay, you get that notification immediately, and get your friend to subscribe and hit the bell, right? Okay, see you again. Thank you. Bye bye.